shall consist of a chief investigator and as many following officers as may be notified by the board, namely A, senior investigators, junior investigators, or any other officer of Inland Revenue with any other designation. B, a senior forensic analyst and as many forensic analysts and junior forensic analysts, and C, a senior data analyst and as many data analysts and junior data analysts. Number 5, the board may, by notification in the Official Gazette, A, specify the functions and jurisdiction of the Tax Fraud Investigation Wing, Inland Revenue and its units and officers, and B, confer the powers of authorities specified in Section 29 upon the Tax Fraud Investigation Wing, Inland Revenue and its officers under Clause A of subsection 4. Number 6, nothing contained in this section shall prevent the authorities appointed under Section 29 or any other authority or officer conferred with the powers and functions of authorities appointed under Section 29 from conducting investigation, prosecution and Chapter 3 of the Act. Number 4, for subclause 4, the following shall be substituted, namely in Section 33A in subsection 4, for the expression 16th day of June 2024, the expression 31st day of December 2024 shall be substituted and shall be deemed to have taken effect from the 16th day of June 2024. Number 5, in subclause 6, number 1, in proposed paragraph 6, for the word 3, the word 4 shall be substituted. Number 2, paragraph 8 shall be substituted, namely 8. After serial number 62, the following new serial number entries relating thereto in columns 2, 3 and 4 shall be added, namely 63, lubricating oil, 2710.1951, 2710.1952, and 2710.1953, 5% ad valorem. Number 6, for subclause 7, the following shall be substituted, namely, number 7 in the first schedule, A after the table 1, A for the marginal heading, variants at different price points, expression restriction 2, brand variants at different price points shall be substituted, and after the full stop at the end, the following explanation shall be added, namely, explanation. For the purpose of this restriction, brand variant means any cigarette brand with similar logo, name, color, design, pattern, or any unique distinguishing mark associated with an existing brand family. B, in the restriction 3, minimum price, for the word 60, the expression 55 shall be substituted. B, in table 2, in column 1, against serial number 3, in column 2, for clause B and entries relating thereto in columns 2, 3, and 4, the following shall be substituted, namely, B, services provided or rendered in respect of travel by air or passengers embarking on international journey from Pakistan. Number 1, economy and economy plus air tickets issued on or after the first day of July 2024, 12,500 rupees. Number 2, club, business and first class air tickets issued on or after the first day of July 2024. A, IATA traffic concert